Your versus your. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng English homophones na to? Alamin natin yan sa maikling English-Tagalog lesson natin ngayon na kahit na napakadali, ay marami pa rin sa atin ang nagkakamali. Ang four-letter word na your, Y-O-U-R, ay isang possessive adjective na nagpapakilala ng possession o pagmamayari ng isang tao. Sa Tagalog, ang your ay katumbas ng salitang mo. Remember, your na Y-O-U-R means mo. Mo. For example, sapatos mo, meaning your shoes. Payong mo, your umbrella. Kung sa tao naman, relationship indicator ang function nito. Halimbawa, kaibigan mo, your friend. Amo mo, your boss, etc. Tandaan mo rin ng your, Y-O-U-R, ay palaging sinusundan ng noun. Ito naman ang your na may apostrophe o Y-O-U'-R-E. Ito ay contraction o pagpapaikli ng dalawang salitang you at are. You are na sa Tagalog ay ikaw ay o kaya naman ay ka. Ang your ay laging sinusundan ng una adjective. Example, you are pretty. Paikliin natin, you're pretty. Meaning, ikaw ay maganda or maganda ka. Next, you are tall. You're tall. Ikaw ay matangkad or matangkad ka. Pangalawa, ang Y-O-U'-R-E ay palagi ring sinusundan ng verb na nasa present progressive tense o yung verb na nagtatapos sa ing. Example, you are reading. Contracted form, you're reading. Ikaw ay nagbabasa or nagbabasa ka. You are studying. You're studying. Ikaw ay nag-aaral o nag-aaral ka. Ang you are ay pwede ring sundan ng preposition o kaya ay adverb. Makikita mo yan mamaya sa mga example sentences natin. I really like your new haircut. I really like your new haircut. Kahulugan? Gusto ko talaga ang bago mong gupit. Your opinion matters to me. Your opinion matters to me. Mahalaga sa akin ang opinion mo. Your birthday is coming up soon. Your birthday is coming up soon. Malapit na ang birthday mo. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. Tumutunog ang telepono mo. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Pwede ko bang mahiram sandali ang ballpen mo? Is this your wallet? Is this your wallet? Pitaka mo ba to? How do I get to your house? How do I get to your house? Paano ako makararating sa bahay mo? Your car is parked in the wrong spot. Your car is parked in the wrong spot. Sa maling pwesto nakaparada ang sasakyan mo. Your timing is terrible. Your timing is terrible. Ang sama naman ng tiyempo mo. Have you seen your keys? Have you seen your keys? Nakita mo na ba ang mga susi mo? I like your outfit today. I like your outfit today. Gusto ko ang suot mo ngayon. Your performance was outstanding. Your performance was outstanding. Ang husay ng performance mo. Your handwriting is so neat. Your handwriting is so neat. Napakaayos ng sulat mo. You forgot your scarf at the store. You forgot your scarf at the store. Nakalimutan mo ang bandana mo sa tindahan. Is that your shoe in the ditch? Is that your shoe in the ditch? Sapatos mo ba yung nasa kanal? I wish you'd keep your comments to yourself. I wish you'd keep your comments to yourself. Sana sarilinin mo na lang ang mga komento mo. Your crazy friend is here. Your crazy friend is here. Nandito ang kaibigan mong loka-loka. I need your help with this project. I need your help with this project. Kailangan ko ang tulong mo sa proyektong to. What happened to your nose? What happened to your nose? Anong nangyari sa ilong mo? Here's our first example of you are. If you're not busy, let's grab lunch together. If you're not busy, let's grab lunch together. Sabay tayong mag-lunch kung hindi ka busy. You're working way too much. You're working way too much. Masyado kang nagtatrabaho. I can't say if you're going to be successful or not. I can't say if you're going to be successful or not. Hindi ko masabi kung magiging matagumpay ka o hindi. If you're hungry, we can order pizza. If you're hungry, we can order pizza. Kung nagugutom ka, pwede tayong mag-order ng pizza. You're making me laugh so hard. You're making me laugh so hard. Pinapatawa mo ako ng gusto. Ito naman yung example ng you are na sinusundan ng preposition. Excuse me, you're in my seat. Excuse me, you're in my seat. Kahulugan, excuse me, ikaw ay nasa upuan ko or nasa upuan ko ikaw. Can you tell me where you're from? Can you tell me where you're from? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa akin kung taga saan ka? You're the most hardworking person I know. You're the most hardworking person I know. Ikaw ang pinakamasipag na taong nakilala ko. I think you're the perfect match for the job. I think you're the perfect match for the job. Sa tingin ko, bagay na bagay ka sa trabaho. Are you sure you're all right? Are you sure you're all right? Sigurado ka bang okay ka lang? Is that what you're wearing to the party? Is that what you're wearing to the party? Yan ba ang isusuot mo sa party? Hurry, you're going to be late for class. Hurry, you're going to be late for class. Bilis, malilate ka sa klase. You're hugging all the blankets. You're hugging all the blankets. Sinusolo mo naman lahat ng kumot. You're cordially invited to my wedding. You're cordially invited to my wedding. Ikaw ay malugod kong iniimbitahan sa aking kasal o malugod kitang iniimbitahan sa kasal ko.